ganda ng aming background. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng bonggang-bongga dito guys kasi in the background, kung naririnig nyo ay sobrang music. But yeah, I just wanna show you the background.
These photos remind me of us when we saw fireworks at Disney at midnight. You kissed me and I think that I'm still in love. It was getting hard for me to stay, wishing that it ended differently. Now that we're done, I still think
Hey, come on. Come on. Hi guys. Say good afternoon. I'm gonna show Dad. Show Dad. It's currently 2:07 ng hapon guys, and it is Saturday. So, lalabas kami, pupunta kami ng hairdresser first. Kasi si mami niyo ay wash and blow dry ng aking hair. Because tonight, it's Daddy Mike's work Christmas party. And it's first time na parang sasama ako sa ganito. Kasi ganito yung mama. So, siya yung mag-aalaga sa 2 girls natin tonight. It's another hot day in Brisbane today. So, it's 36. Pero yung hangin niya ay masarap sa katawan. Yes, my love! Nandito na kami. So, dyan lang yung kanyang place. Sa ano lang, parang home service.
This is her day?
Yes. So, kasama ang buong family, guys. Kasi after dito, straight away, pupunta kami ng Carindale Shopping Center. Kasi may bibilhin si Daddy Mike.
I love you, Celine.
Hey, love you.
I don't know, Mama.
Daddy na.
Celine.
I don't know.
Ang batang ito ay sleepy na, oh. Sama-sama ba kay mama? Ha? So, ayan na ang hair ni mami niyo, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh, diba? Curl.
Oh, it's cold.
Ang dilim dito kasi nandito kami ngayon sa harap ko sa car park ng Carindale Shopping Center. So, si Daddy Mike lang tsaka si Ate Paris ang lumabas kasi may binili si Daddy Mike na susuotin niya for tonight. And ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping bunny. So, hindi kami sumama dito kami sa sasakyan. Nakabalik na sila. And we are now going. Pabili ako nito katalabat, guys. I'll just come. Okay, late na naman kami nito. Nasa sir?
Mein Bock.
Kakauwi lang namin, guys. It's now 4:35. May half an hour lang kaming mag-ready. So yan ang aking hair. Ganyan siya. Oo, diba? So, iniisip ko guys, kapag nabasa kami ng ulan, sayang yung aking binayad sa aking hair. Kasi kapag nabasa ng ulan, mag-straight man yan siya, diba? Yeah. So, first thing first ay... So, we'll get ready with me. We'll apply the... contact lenses, baby girl. Yes. Yes, Papa. You're a good girl, Mama. Contact lens tayo para may iba naman.
Are you back?
Yeah, mamimiss ko tong batang ito. Ayan. Pasok na yung isa, guys. Mamaya ko na ano yung hair ko talaga.
I bet.
Plaster.
So.
Excited si Mami Nyo kasi hindi naman palaging may ganito, di ba? So, alam niyo ba, first, since naging kami ni Daddy Mike, parang first niya to na Christmas party na nag-join siya. So, of course, kasama ako. Halftime, dinner ulit, na kami lang, ganun. O, di ba? Buti na lang nandito ang kanyang model counts. Okay. Malinis ang ating pag-makeup. Lini. Love you, Lini. Nag-eyebrow na ako kanina. Drawing ko ng aking eyebrow. Ayan. So, ngayon, yung gagawin na natin ay makeup. Kaya tayo with ng sunscreen. So, this is the sunscreen na gamitin natin. Yung susuotin ko tonight, hindi ko tinry. So, we'll see kung maganda pa siyang tingnan. Otherwise, ano, marami naman tayong damit. So, we can change it to something good.
Rain.
Can you hear the rain, Baba?
Yes.
Alright, do you wanna talk? Yeah.
I hear rain.
Rain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rain. Is it rain?
It's raining outside.
There's this side. Outside. The window right.
Ang dami ko na palang na ano una. Kasi minsan nawawala. So, bumibili ako ng bago. Tapos, pag hindi ko kailangan, tsaka sila lumalabas. Ang dami ko ng eyebrow pencil. Ayan. So, nakapaglagay na ako ng ating, tawag ito, liquid foundation. So, yung aking liquid foundation pala na ginagamit is yung, kung saan nalagay, guys. Ay. You're crazy. Yeah. So, naghiram na ako sa aking biyanan, guys. Ayan. Oh. Ito yung gagamitin ko kasi. Diba? Kailan ba yun? Diba yesterday, pinagamit niya sa akin. And I really love ayan, yung stamina for the highlighter. Tapos worth the wait para sa aking cheeks. So, ayan. Hiram ko more. Ako na talaga. See, that's what I like about, like my relationship with my biyanan, guys. Kasi, ganyan lang, sa beauty, pag ganyan, kami lang, kami nagkakaunawaan. Kakaunawaan talaga. Ayan. So, ang aking kilay ay, in-sculpt ko siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, diba? So, more, siya, precise. Kasi, ginamitan ko siya nito, kasi brush na to. Tapos, concealer. Tapos, ginanyan ko siya para malinis yung edges. So, it's more like, tingnan nyo. Oh, plakat.
Do you want me to share them? My two squishies.
Okay, my love. Alright, so I think that is that. I'm just gonna do my contour. Sige na, you do your own thing lang. Show tito and tito what you're working on.
And I made a squishy. And I made this big one. There's a little toy inside that you can't see it really. And I got the small with nice one.
So, ang aking contour ay tingnan nyo. Hala, kailangan ko na ng bago. Dugay na kaayo niya, guys. Grabe. Dalaga pa ko. Hala, grabe. Sige, dalaga pa ko eh. Tingnan nyo, diba? So, yung side na may contour, dito wala. Nakakaano talaga ng face. Medyo nakaka-slimmer. Nakaka-slim ng face kapag meron kang contour. Ayan. Hindi na kailangan ng surgery. Contour powder lang ang katapat.
A few moments later.
Yan guys, dito na kami sa labas. Ito na ang ating final look. So, ang ating pamukap ay yan. And then our outfit is this. So, well, Daddy Mike is choosing between, huh? This is change shoes. Yeah, what do you think of my outfit? Look. Come here, close Daddy. Share your outfit as well. Ayan. Where's the lighting? Where's the nice lighting? There? Okay. Siya, Daddy. Nakatigilid ba ang ating camera? Yan, oh. Diba? CEO. Ano pa outfit? Let's go. We are now walking towards our restaurant, guys, and back! Good luck sa aking high heels. Bakit nag-high heels? High heels. Pangit naman kung mag-flats tayo, guys. Diba hindi mababagay sa ating aura? Daddy Mike, oh, this way na this way. Cappuccino.
I don't think I can move on. These photos remind me of us when we saw fireworks at Disney at midnight. You kissed me.
Guys, tapos na ang aming pa-dinner. Ayan, ganda ng aming background. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng bonggang-bongga dito, guys, kasi in the background, kung naririnig nyo, ay sobrang music. But yeah, I just wanna show you the background. Finally, we're away from the alingog-ngog na, guys. Natapos na kami doon. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang aking ingak ay lumulugwa, guys. Grabe. Sobrang ingay. Everyone's screaming at each other. Anyways, naglalakad na kami ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Walking for my time. So, you see this beautiful view again. Remember nung birthday ko? Diyan kami sa taas doon. You can see it better here. Sobrang ganda. Super. How's your night so far, Daddy?
Sobrang ganda.
Sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, ako daw yung best dressed doon. Sabi ko, well, you better say that.
Ako ito kami.
Said, you better say that. Alam nga naman,
dressed?
yeah, alam nga naman sabihin ni Daddy Mike na iba yung best dressed doon, di ba?
Is that the best dressed?
Yes, best dressed, Daddy.
Are you- Are you lying? Huh?
I'm not lying. Anyways, yung, yeah, boss ni Daddy Mike, she's very nice. Sabi pa niya, she likes my hair color. Remember nung nag-aura-aura kami ni Daddy Mike, nung birthday ko? Okay, dito yun. So, it's currently 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Si biyanan ko ay nag-send ng picture. Sabi niya, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi yung mga kids daw ay makain na, nasa couch sila. They're watching TV. So sabi niya, just enjoy your night.
Step back.
We should recreate, Daddy, what we done here last time.
I'm gonna talk about regret, baby.
Makita niyo yung outfit namin ni Daddy Mike na ano, klaro. Pahinga muna ang mga paa. Pa-heels ko more. Tingnan nyo. Actually, Daddy might got a new shoes, sneakers today. Tingnan nyo. Nike.
Too small.
Is it? What size is it? 8.5? Why? Is it?
They don't have muscles.
The first and last time you're going to wear?
No.
Oh, meron pa kami nito, yung wristband. Nilagay nito kasi free drinks. Hindi free drinks kasi binayaran naman yun nila.
They're not like
Is it unlimited drinks, Bob? Whatever?
Yeah.
Ah, cool. Sa akin, wala naman guys. Kasi tubig lang yung iniinom ko. Tubig coke. Yun lang. Habang sila, my God. We're all drunk.
Only Eddie is.
Oh, yeah, Eddie. Oh my God. Unbelievable.
I think only Eddie's drunk.
Huh?
I think only Eddie's drunk.
But you all drink, I'm saying.
Oh yeah, they'll drink, but I think only Eddie's drunk. Embarrassing.
Like, he was already like wet all over like his shirt. And he's still young. Like, he's way younger than Daddy Mike. So we're very lucky that Mom Karen is here. So nakasama ako kay Daddy Mike. Kung wala si Mom Karen, I'm not gonna go.
Yeah?
So I'm not gonna go. No one's gonna look after the kids.
What do you mean? We gotta have the cousins.
True. Tinan niyo, only like 2 balconies got Christmas lights. The rest, Dito kami sa McDonald's. Kami na talaga ang galing sa dinner na basta sa McDonald's. Sunday.
Thank you. You're seeing your cousin.
Tingnan niyo. Kapaan na kami guys. So, pit-pit na ang sapatos. Alam niyo ba lahat ng parking spot dyan ay full. Ang layo namin mag-park ng Daddy Marcus. Doon sa malapit na sa coast. Where's my thing? Is it here? Oh yeah. Hold that one. This. This one. Come look, get in.
Oh, you hold it.
Kiss that. Tulog na yung mga kids ngayon 10:30 already, Daddy. Bit-bit pa ng Sunday. Will you be surprised if they're still alive? Huh? Asleep? So can you hear them? May mga tao sa taas na they took our parking. Huh? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hello!
Very good.
Love you! I miss you!
Baby was crying
Was she?
just now, and then I hear the door open.
Oh yeah?
So I never see. So I ran.
Hello! Did you miss Mama? I miss you too. Come on, have some
Why were so late?
kiss Mama.
Very good.
Why were so late?
No, we came home like really quick. We were like, let's go.
Papa.
That's
It's like finger food and drinks. There's a bar.
come on, let's go. Ayosh! They're good?
Really good. Celine was really good.
Oh, that's good.
Such a good girl. And
I-
it's only the last few minutes because she's tired that she
Yeah.
started saying she wants mummy. And rather than me say, and it's okay, you know, mummy, I kept saying, oh no, you want mummy, don't you? And that seemed to make her feel like heard
Yeah.
rather than trying to missed what she was saying. I was saying, I know you're tired and you want mummy.
Yes.
And mummy will be here soon. And then she's fine. Such a good girl.
Good girl, my love. Ate, you've been a good girl as well? That's good.
Mom.
Now let us take our makeup off.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, Mama.
I'm gonna take cake.
Thank you, Baba. Ang ate kasi Paris ay nakatulog na guys sa kanya ba? Nauna siya natulog sa kanyang, kapatid. Yes, Baba?
It's your face.
It's your face, yeah, that's for Mama's face. Overall, it was a good night, guys. First time kong ma-meet yung mga kasamahan ni Daddy Mike sa work. It was good. And fun. Kahit na ano lang. Yun lang, after nun, naglakad kami Daddy Mike pupunta sa sakyan. Hindi na kami nagtagal doon. Tingnan yung isa. Oo. Lala. Wait! What if you fall, anak? Huh? What if you fall? Yeah? Come down na. What are you gonna do?
Dad. I see Mama.
That's it, guys. Matutulog na ang ating baby. Patulog ba ito? Daddy. I'm going to end the vlog here now. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko maisa-isa because phone yung gamit ko ngayon, hindi yung camera. So, hindi ko mabasa yung mga names. But, you know, kung sino kayo guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for always supporting our channel. And we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.